Once upon a time, in a small town named Starville, lived a brave little boy named Timmy. Timmy had a special friend, a green lantern, who could make anything from his powerful ring. One night, Timmy woke up to hear a soft whisper. "Timmy, my friend, I need your help," said the green lantern. "But why, Green Lantern?" asked Timmy, rubbing his sleepy eyes. "A dark shadow is spreading fear across the galaxy. I need your help to bring back the light," explained the Green Lantern. Timmy felt a shiver of fear, but he knew he had to be brave. He took the Green Lantern's ring and said, "I'll help you, Green Lantern." With a bright glow, the Green Lantern's ring covered Timmy, filling him with courage and light. They set off on their mission, soaring through the sky on a journey across the universe. They encountered strange planets, met friendly aliens, and battled fearsome creatures. But with Timmy's bravery and the Green Lantern's power, they overcame all challenges that came their way. As they approached the dark shadow, Timmy felt a surge of determination. "I won't let fear win, Green Lantern," he cried out. With a brilliant flash, the dark shadow was pushed back. The light returned, bringing joy and happiness to the galaxy once more. Timmy and the Green Lantern returned to Starville, where they were greeted with cheers and applause. Timmy went to bed that night knowing he had made a difference, ready for another adventure tomorrow. And so, every night, the Green Lantern would visit Timmy, reminding him that with courage and light, anything is possible. The end.